Guys, look at this photo. Pretty normal, right? Now check this out. Same photo but completely transformed. And the craziest part, I didn't use Photoshop or any other advanced editing tools. Just one AI tool, PixPretty. Hey guys, my name is Raaj and today we are testing an AI powered portrait editing tool, PixPretty, that claims you can create professional level portraits without any editing skills. Perfect skin, better lighting, face reshaping, all in just few clicks. So today I'll test it properly before versus after, full workflow, and at the end I'll tell you if it's actually worth it or just a hype. So this is the original photo. Slightly dull lighting, some skin imperfections, and overall a flat look. Now look at the final result. Clean skin, better lighting and natural glow. And most importantly, it doesn't look over edited. So now let's break down exactly how I did this. First, I downloaded and installed PixPretty on my PC. Super simple process like this. Then simply I imported my photo and look at the interface of this tool. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. No complicated tools. Okay, now let's dive into the editing. Step 1. Blemish removal. With the help of this tool, with just one click, the skin became smoother, and the best part, it still looks natural. So this is the before and after of this photo, and you can clearly see the difference. Now let's try with some other photos. As you can see, this is the photo, and with just one click you can clearly see the difference. Here's the before and after. Let's try with another photo. With just one click, as you can see, the blemishes are gone. Here's the before and after. Step 2. Face enhancement. With the help of skin radiance tool, you can simply enhance the facial radiance like this. And also with the help of skin whitening tool, you can whiten the skin like this. This is my favorite feature. It automatically balanced the lighting and made the skin tone look more natural. Step 3. The next tool is facial reshaping. With the help of this tool, I slightly improved the facial structure. So you can enhance the facial structure like this. Subtle changes but noticeable. With the help of face slimming tool, you can simply adjust facial structures like cheekbones, jawline, then facial width, then mid face, lower face. You can adjust everything. Alright, so the next tool is makeup. So with the help of this tool, you can add highlight and contour to the skin like this. Also, you can add blushes like this. Also, with the help of this tool, you can add contact lenses. With the help of this tool, you can change the eye contacts like eye color like this. You can change the lenses color like this with the help of this tool. So here's the final result. Here is the before and after of this photograph. And you can clearly see the difference. How much this pic is enhanced, you can clearly see the difference. Alright, you can export the photo just by clicking the export button. Alright, so now next let's import another photo and we'll change the body shape of this photo with the help of body reshaping tool. So just simply adjust this tool like this and you can enhance the body structure like this. Alright, so next let's import another photo. So with the help of this facial reshaping tool, you can adjust facial structures like this. Next, with the help of teeth enhancement tool, you can enhance the teeth whitening just like this. Also, you can brighten teeth like this. And then you can add some makeup like highlight and contour with the help of this tool. So as simple as that, with the help of this tool, you can simply enhance your photos like this. And if you are feeling lazy, there are presets too. Just one click and your edit is done. So here's the final result before versus after. Honestly, the difference is clean and most importantly, it still looks natural. Also, there are many other tools like crop tool. Then there is a tool called background enhancement. So with this tool, you can enhance your photo background. Also, there is a tool called tethered shooting. With the help of this tool, you can directly connect the camera with your PC and shoot. Now the question is this tool actually useful? If you are a content creator, post on Instagram or just want quick edits, this tool will definitely save your time. The accuracy is impressive and it doesn't overdo the edits. Of course, if you want a Photoshop level control, then that's a different story. But for 90% of users, this is more than enough. It also includes feature like intelligent color adjustment, batch editing, edit multiple photos at once, preset styles. So overall, it's a complete portrait editing package. So if you want to take your photos to the next level, check out PixPretty, link in the description. If there's any discount or any offer, you will find it there too. Do check out. So if you enjoyed the video, hit like, do share the video, and also do hype the video. This is Raj. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, peace out.